Good morning, student. Today I will discuss about the hyperlink. The same chapter, chapter number 2, the last column, the last point is hyperlink. Today I will show you how to create the hyperlink. First of all, you have to know what is hyperlink. Actually, hyperlink is the one steps to link one or more than two pages. Okay, suppose one page is there, you have to link to the another page. That time you can create the hyperlink. Sometimes you have noticed in internet, that is one page is coming and underline the actually that word, under the word one blue color underlines there. If you touch of that line, on that line word, you will see the another page will appear, another page will open. So this is the hyperlink. Okay, so what is the hyperlink? So the hyperlink is to open from, moving from one document to another. Okay, now I will show to you how to make the hyperlink. Okay, in Word I am showing. First of all, I am opening Word, MS Word. Clear? Now I am writing, this is, suppose this is the front page. First page I am writing our school name. You can see I am writing our school name, St. Paul's School. Okay, now I want to see few students name has written. Suppose class 6. Okay, next class 3 page I have make here 5, 6, 7. This one I just pure decorating middle of the page. Size also I gave, that is 36. If just few I decorated these things. And this one also I may just increase the size. Now you can see this is the first page, St. Paul School. Our aim is there, class 5, how many students are there? If I will write one page, class 6, class 7. Okay, now how can I see that page? Means that if I click on the class 5, you can see the class 5 here, no? If you touch the class 5, that page will open. Okay, then you will see the name. Same thing, class 6, if you click, then 6 students name will come. Class 7, the class 7 students name will come. So what to do? So I have to make the one page. This is the first page. Okay, you can see here the first page. Clear? Now you can see here page number 1, this one. Okay, now I will create one another page. So how to create the page? So we'll go to the page layout tab, you know that. Then break option, this is the break option to create another one page. Okay, now page, now see the second page. Here you can see the 2, and this is the first page, and this one page 1 here showing here, you this place you can see the page 1. Now I came to the page number 2. Okay, here you can write class 5, class 5. Just I did few friends name you can write here down, class 5. Suppose one name I am writing, anything, Ram. Okay, now I will go to the another one page. So how to create our page break, page. Now see page second, third page came. I'm writing class 6. The size also I increased. Here also few names I wrote here. Suppose Rishi Mandal. Okay. Now third one. Once again I will go to the page layout break, page. Here we enter. Here also I am writing one name. Or in them. Okay, now what to do? If I click on this place, the page will appear. Okay, now what to do? First of all, you will select and you will go to the insert tab. Okay, then you can see here link options. Click on the link options. You will see the bookmark. Bookmark means you have to indicate the word, which word you will click and where it will go. Okay, I am showing to this one. If I click here, the same page will appear. If you want to click for link one page to another, means one file to another, it is also possible. Okay, before that I am going to save of these things. Save options. Click on the save, and desktop I am doing save. Okay, 6 I wrote. 6 the file name. Now class 5, if I click, then the 5 page will appear. This is the options. So select where I will go, link, bookmark. Now bookmark file appear. Okay, bookmark screen also appear. Now you can see I have written here class 5. Okay, now this word you will add class 5. Okay, class. Now you can do class also, add. Same thing, remember you will not give the space. Then second one also link, bookmark, six, add. That one also link, bookmark, add. Now our aim is we will click on the class 5, it will go. Okay, where it will open the class 5 page. Now I have to go to the one more page where class 5. This is the page. Clear? Now I am going to the link. You can see the hyperlink option. This is the hyperlink. You will click on the hyperlink. We are one hyperlink page will appear on the screen. Now here plenty of options are there. Exiting file or web page, place in this document, create new documents, another one. Okay, plenty of files are there, options are there. I am showing how to link of this document in this document from one page to another page. Okay, now so place in, I will select the place in this document. Right side you can see the three options are came, class 6, 7. So you can see that sir why class 5. Yeah, I have written here class came. I have given because you can see the difference. In this case class 6 I did not give any space, but I have given the class 5. Between class and 5 I have given the space. So I told you we will not give any space, it will not be bookmark will not happen, so that's why it the class only showing. Okay, so I have to select here class, then okay. Now our aim is the next page. Next page I did not give any options. If I click on the class 5, where it will come? Class 5 I have given, then not okay. So class 5, here I will one option gave, that is top. Why I gave this top? Suppose if I click on the top, that back page will come. Okay, top page is there, this thing, it will come here. Okay, now links options I'm going, hyperlink, place in this document. Now, oh sorry my dear, I did not make the bookmark, top link bookmark. Here I write top. So I will go once again class 5, links, hyperlink. Now you can see the top option. Here I have selected to class 5 and this one top. So first of all, what to do? Place in this document, then top. Okay, after that okay. Now you can see the underline options became, and it totally color has changed. Now if you touch of that line, one message will display, the control plus click to follow link. Control CTRL means you have to press on the keyboard and hold it, control key, and left mouse button. Now I am doing control, one hand tools came. Okay, now click. Now the see class 5 page, this is the class 5 page came. Means that word and this word I have linked. Okay, now if I click on top button, the page will come, the first page will come. Okay, so how to do? Once again I have to do link from this word to class 5. Okay, how? I have to select once again, we will go to the link options, hyperlink, then in place in this document, obviously which one I want to link? Class. So I have select class, then okay. Now you can see that okay, options, click, control options coming, you have to click, see that first page once again here. Okay, I hope you understood. I am showing once again class 6. If I click class 6, our aim is if I click on class 6, the class 6 page will appear. How to do? Already I have done bookmark, you know that. Okay, so I will first of all I will go to the class 6 page. Where it is class 6 page? Here. So which word I will link? Class 6 to of this page, any word. Okay, suppose I am writing here that type I have written top, here I am writing back. Okay, so of this word to class 6 I will link. Now I am going to class 6, select, where I will go? Link. Already bookmarks I have done. Oh, these bookmarks I not did, back. Remember, if you will not do bookmark, that word will not display in the bookmark list. Okay, now I am showing you what the problem will come. If you do the hyperlink, see here top came, but the back, this back here is not present. Why? Because I did not make any bookmark. Remember, if you will not do bookmark, with the bookmark list will not appear. Clear? Here bookmarks option is coming. So though which word I have done bookmark, only that word is coming. Clear? Now I will make to the bookmark. So back option, go to the link, click on bookmark options. Here I will erase of this, I will write back add. Okay. Now I will go to that same top page, class 6. Okay. Select. Now I will do hyperlink. This document, obviously only this page. Which one? Where I will go? Back options. Back. Okay. Now see. Class 6 options came. See with this one. This is the page number 3, class 6 page, name also there, and back. Once again, if I click on back, on the top page will appear. So back already I have done bookmark. So link option, hyperlink, then obviously place on this document. Where I will go? Class 6. This one I will select. Okay. Click on OK button. Now you will go, control options came, back, on the main page also appear. Okay. Now same thing class 7 also we will do. That these are the rules how to make a hyperlink. Okay. Next day I will show you how to make hyperlink one page to another file, means one file to another file. Clear? So I hope you understood of these things. You will try it in your home, you practice in your home how to make to hyperlink. Okay. So thank you.